hypercar that refuses to play by the rules. No gearbox like you expect, no shifting drama, no mechanical noise you're used to, just instant, uninterrupted acceleration, like someone removed the idea of hesitation from driving. That's the Koenigsegg Regera. And here's the strange part. Koenigsegg didn't build it to be the fastest in the traditional sense. They built it to make speed feel effortless, almost unfair. But how do you make a 1,500 plus horsepower hybrid feel? Simple? Now look at the exterior. And the first thing you notice is how clean it looks compared to its performance. No extreme rear wing, no track-focused aggression. Instead, you get a smooth, flowing silhouette, long rear body, minimal drag-focused surfaces, and Koenigsegg's signature dihedral doors still here, rising upward like mechanical art. But everything about the Regera is designed around one idea: reduce resistance, maximize speed efficiency. Even the rear active wing system is subtle. It appears only when needed, like the car deciding when physics deserves attention. This is not a track monster. This is a luxury speed weapon disguised as elegance. Now step inside, and it feels more like a private jet than a traditional hypercar. The interior is fully leather-wrapped, carbon fiber detailed, and extremely premium compared to Koenigsegg's more raw builds. But the real highlight, the Smart Center system. A massive vertical touchscreen controls almost everything in the car: climate, media, navigation, and performance settings. But what makes the Regera different is what's missing. There is no traditional gearbox, no manual shifting experience. Because this car is built to remove interruption from driving, this is Koenigsegg's idea of luxury speed. Now let's talk money. The Regera sits at around the $2 to $2.5 million range, depending on specification. But this isn't a buy a car situation. This is a join a very small club of people who understand chaos disguised as luxury situation. Only a limited number were ever produced, because Koenigsegg doesn't believe in making cars for everyone. They believe in making cars for statements. And this one? It's a very loud statement wrapped in silence. Now here's where the Regera becomes completely different from anything else. It uses a 5.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine combined with 3 electric motors. Together, it produces over 1,500 horsepower. But the real magic is the system behind it, Koenigsegg's direct drive system. There is no traditional multi-gear transmission. Instead, power is delivered directly through a fixed ratio system, which means no gear shifts, no interruption, no power loss between acceleration phases, just one continuous wave of force from 0 to extreme speed without anything breaking the flow. 0 to 400 kilometers per hour. The Regera is famous for doing it in under 30 seconds in ideal conditions, and it doesn't feel like acceleration. It feels like being pulled forward by something that doesn't stop. If you're into machines like this, subscribe right now. Because here we don't review cars. We break down engineering that doesn't behave like it should exist. And every video gets more extreme than the last one. Now, the Regera isn't a common sight. It exists in private collections, hypercar vaults, and elite garages where cars are treated like assets of engineering art. Owned by global collectors, tech billionaires, and high-level enthusiasts who understand that this isn't just about speed. It's about owning something that redefines what acceleration even feels like. Because most cars are built to be driven, the Regera feels like it's built to dominate motion itself. So the Koenigsegg Regera isn't just a hypercar. It's a completely different idea of performance. No traditional shifting, No interruption, no compromise, just one continuous system designed for effortless speed. And what makes it even more dangerous is this: it doesn't feel fast in the way you expect. It feels endless. Because while other cars fight for speed, the Regera removes the fight entirely. So if you enjoyed this breakdown, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned. Because what we cover next isn't just fast, it's almost unfair. And I will see you in the next one.